Alright folks, I just literally just plowed all this. As you can see, it's already covered with snow. This is our second winter storm in just a few days. We had one about 2 days ago, and now we're getting hit again by this one. I believe it's around 6 o'clock or so. We are nearing about 5 inches of snow, and it is starting to blow around. I just cleaned all this, and the mounds are beginning to form this winter. Sometimes we have these mounds go up probably a little higher up to where the trash can is, and stay like that for the whole winter. But as you can see, it looks, actually I love it. It's Christmas lights, you can see my Christmas lights in our home. I just shoveled all this, and there's already cover, as you can see. But we're having very heavy snow right now. There's a branch association right there. As you can see, very heavy snows. The roads are covered with snow. They are plowing them, so we are seeing plows come and clean them up, but they get covered immediately. Temperatures are still very cold, and the wind is picking up, so we are having a little bit of a blowing snow, especially from what fell earlier. So as you can see, it is treacherous out there.
How you doing?
That's my roommate over there. So as you can see, the snow continues. Very heavy snows. Treacherous driving. I'm telling you. Oh, talking about plows, there it is. There they are. So they do plow a lot, and this is the results. These are the results of plowing. As you can see, the streets, they do still, even though they clean most of the snow, there's still a little bit of a layer of snow on the road, so that's why the snow keeps sticking. Salt doesn't do anything. But this time we're getting like 1-2 inches per hour right now. So the storm is leaving, last I checked, Long Island, so coming into Rhode Island in the next few hours, and then passing through here, probably giving us some more heavy snow for the remainder of the night. As you can see, it's really beautiful for now. Another plow on the way, right over there. There we go. Yep, that's winter here in New England, with weather conditions, snow, wind, cold, and deserted streets as of right now. That's the update from Boston.